In this video tutorial, I'll show curious learners how to use the Water Shapes Our Planet and Our Lives virtual 4th grade curriculum to learn about the water cycle, weather, climate, and climate change. The website is designed to make these resources available to both educators as well as curious learners. So after you read these few tips, you'll scroll down to the lesson. You're able to either click on the image or this Curious Learners tab right beside the image to launch the student view of a lesson. So when we open Lesson 1, the water cycle, we will go to Pear Deck, which is the platform we use to create these resources. You can first click on an icon or click Skip to go directly to the lesson. So Lesson 1 has 20 slides. You'll use these arrows to navigate through the lesson. When you come to slide 2, you'll see there's a video. You'll simply watch this video, and at the end, if some additional thumbnails pop up to some other videos, you won't watch those. You'll at that point use the arrow to navigate to the next slide. In some cases, you'll see slides that have questions. In this case, it's a Google form. In some other cases, it's just a Pear Deck slide that you can interact with the lesson. You'll basically scroll through. Here's a drawing slide. Watch each video, read the material, and when you come to the activity, you can watch that, and you'll want to gather some supplies ahead of time if you want to participate. But in the wrap-up, you'll see there are a few quiz questions. Again, a Google form. This is an example of just a Pear Deck slide. You'll just select your response and move to the next slide. And when you get to the end, we do have a slide where you can rate whether you enjoyed the lesson or how much you enjoyed the lesson. But when you're finished, you simply close out that window and it'll take you right back to the curriculum webpage. So there are a total of 6 lessons. And then there's a final activity that you can choose to look at. That's designed for students to complete projects and share with their classmates. But you're welcome to check that out as well. We've highlighted the standards that we covered in this curriculum. And then you can scroll on down to the bottom and view the authors of the curriculum, as well as our sponsor. And you can click directly on our logo to go to the University of Georgia Marine Extension and Georgia Sea Grant website to learn more about the work we do. And we'd like to thank you for your interest once again in our new curriculum.